Footfall analysis models are created and managed in the Footfall analysis view regime. When this view regime is active, the Footfall analysis ribbon is displayed. The Settings button is used to control the Footfall analysis model settings for each available design guide. Initially, a single setting set is available, but you can create additional sets to investigate different configurations quickly. To create a Footfall analysis model, use the New button and click on a slab you would like to include. The new Footfall analysis model opens in edit mode, allowing you to continue adding slabs. Facade restraint can be added if required. To do this, check the option Generate Facade Restraint to automatically provide restraint to the slab perimeter. Set the entity type to Facade Restraint and the required selection mode and add or remove restraints as required. Internal restraints can be specified if required. The Footfall analysis model properties are shown in the Properties window. Assign the setting set you wish to use and adjust the default Footfall check values. These initial intelligent code-based Footfall check values are copied to the Footfall analysis model from the global settings found on the Home ribbon tab. Once you have completed the Footfall analysis model, press Escape on the keyboard to exit edit mode. The 3D structure Footfall analysis view regime displays all Footfall analysis models that have been created. In this view, you can highlight an individual Footfall model using the Tab key and open it by left-clicking the mouse or pressing Enter on the keyboard. Use the buttons on the ribbon to create new Footfall analysis models, edit, and delete them. Use the Footfall Mask Combinations button to create as many mask combinations as required. Provide a name, include the required load cases, and set the load factor. 10% of the imposed load has been included in this example, as recommended in SCIP 354. On the Applied Mass tab, check that the included mass only acts in the Z direction. You can choose to analyze the currently active Footfall analysis model or all of them. To view the Mode Shape analysis results, select a mass combination and turn on the Mode Shape View button. Use the List or the Next and Previous buttons to cycle through the mode shapes. Use the Deflection slider to scale the display of the mode shape, or from the Scene View context menu, choose Animate to show an animation. You can now take a look at the Footfall assessment results. Turn on the Response Factor button and investigate the response factor for both resonant and transient responses for the selected pacing frequency. For ease of checking, you can turn on Envelope to display the critical results. With the option Consider VDV turned off and a target response of 4, the pass-fail status view will show areas greater than the target value as failed. You can use acceptable hotspots to investigate areas that fall between a general limit and the target value. If the response factor fails, you can consider a variable dose value assessment. The number of events per period heat map displays the number of events at each node, reported on a logarithmic scale. Adjusting the Footfall check values will update the results of the heat map. The arrow denotes the critical heat map node value. You can hover over any node to view results at the chosen node. The check status is failing as the variable dose value is not currently considered in the pass-fail status view. To consider the variable dose value, check the Consider VDV in the pass-fail status and specify the target number of events in a period the client will accept. If this value is less than the heat map value for each node, then the floor will pass. Further assessment or model changes would be required if any areas fail. The analysis is not a black box. You can investigate the underlying solver model and the section and material properties used. You can also view the model analysis and Footfall assessment results using the Tabular Results button and export to Excel. Finally, a detailed footfall assessment report can be created, which includes the heat maps,